How to create Lexoffice contact from Microsoft Excel automatically. So Lexoffice is an accounting software, and assume that you and your team member are adding all the customer and contact details into MS Excel, which you would like to import in this software. Now to do that, you have two choices. Either you can manually export the data on the daily basis and import it here, or you can create an integration in MS Excel and Lexoffice in such a way that whenever any new contact or customer details are added into MS Excel, the same customers will be created as a contact in Lexoffice as well. Do you also want to create this automation for yourself? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Excel sheet in which I am going to add the customer details, and this is the Lexoffice dashboard. And to automate this process, I'll have to build an integration in these two applications, which I am going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And I am an existing user, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button. And in the free account, you will also get free task to test this automation. Okay, and now once you will reach to the dashboard, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided, basically I have pasted the name as create Lexoffice contact from Microsoft Excel automatically. Now simply click on this create button, and after that you will notice two boxes. Okay, so these are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, whenever any new customer data is added into the Microsoft Excel application, then automatically create a contact into this Lexoffice accounting application. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect both the application with the Pabbly Connect one by one. I'll have to check why this logo is not visible. All right, it is visible now. Okay, so simply select the trigger even first, that is whenever a new row is added in worksheet. Okay, and now simply connect your Excel with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so click on this button, click on add new connection, click on connect with Microsoft Excel, and then you will have to provide the access of your Excel account. Okay, well, because I am already logged in, so instead of asking me the access, it is directly asking me for the permission. So I have clicked on that accept button. So this is how you will notice that how my Microsoft Excel account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect immediately. Alright, so it is connected, and here you can see that since we are connected, whatever the workbooks are available in my Excel account have started visible here. Okay, so currently I am going to select this all customers data, this particular workbook. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is all customers data. Okay, so here we have the spreadsheet, and as soon as I select the worksheet, as soon as I select the workbook, the worksheet will be selected automatically. Okay, so here I have the workbook as sheet 1. Okay, so that has got selected, basically worksheet has got selected automatically. Now I am going to add the details of the customer here. So assume that test is the name of the person, customer is the last name of the person. Basically I'm adding dummy details only here. Okay, demo@pabblytuts.com is the email address of the person. Again I will add some random phone number, that is 966666666. Okay, it is just a 10-digit dummy number. Country code is going to be IN, and city is Bhopal. Okay, so basically I am adding only the important data which are actually required in order to create a contact into this Lexoffice software. Okay, so I have provided the same. Well, the number is not taking into the correct format, so I can simply change the format of this column. Okay, let me do the same. Alright, so now the number is visible here. Alright, so I'm going to click on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice that Pabbly Connect will instantly capture the data, the recent data which you have added inside your Excel sheet. Okay, so let me even show you the details one by one. So here we have the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number, the country code, and even the city. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in between are this spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen? Every time you and your team will add any new contact or customer details here into the Excel sheet, the same contact details will be fetched up via Pabbly Connect in every 8 hours, because this trigger will check for the new data in every 8 hours. Basically, the trigger here is the polling based, which is not going to capture the data in real time or immediately. It will take at least 8 hours to fetch the data. Okay, now the first step of our automation is done, and I was about to create a contact into this Lexoffice accounting software. Okay, so the software, the application is already selected. Simply select the action event, that is create contact. Since I want to do the same, click on connect, and just like we have connected Excel and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect to this Lexoffice and Pabbly Connect, and for the connection it is asking for the token. Okay, so make sure you are already logged in into the Lexoffice and simply click on this hyperlink, and this is how it will take you to that specific place from where you can actually get to the API, basically the token. Okay, currently it is visible into the German language. Okay, so how about I change it into the English language? Alright, it is visible. Let me click on this create button. Well, I have already created this key multiple times. Okay, so instead of creating this key once again, I am going to use the existing connection. Okay, you can simply click on this particular button and create a token, and then you can further copy that token here. Okay, and by clicking on save, your Lexoffice account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, I am going with the existing connection, and you will notice that my Lexoffice account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now, in order to create contact, it is asking me several details like the company name, the tax number, the free invoice details, person primary contact type, person salutation, and further other details. Okay, and instead of creating the contact type as company, I am going to create the contact type as person. Okay, so I am going to leave all these fields blank, and I am going to provide the data into this person. Okay, contact type will be person. Okay, and from where I am going to provide the data, remember we have just captured the data into our previous step from our previous step, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Okay, I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, when you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, simply select that data. Okay, so it is asking for the first name, so I have added the same, and this is how your data will be mapped. Okay, now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating in front of you again and again. Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. I am repeating this thing again, that whatever the details you are providing here with the help of mapping, those details will be replaced automatically in the next time. And if you will provide any data manually, well, I think I have captured the country code also. Okay, so how about I map it instead of providing it manually, because if I will specify it, if I will manually provide this data, what will happen? This data will remain same for every single contact. Okay, again I am going to add the city. I think I have provided all the important details. I am mapping last important details, that is the phone number, and of course where is the email address. I'll have to search for that as well. Okay, so here you can notice email address. Okay, so let me map the same, and I have added all the details. Now going back to my Lexoffice accounting software, and this is the contact section. Again it is visible into the German language. Okay, so how about I first convert it into the English language. Well, I have converted the same, but I'm really not sure why it is not getting changed. Don't worry about that. How about I directly click on this button, but it is asking for the role. Okay, so let me first provide the role. All right, where is the role field? All right, okay, so for the customer role you will have to provide this value. For the vendor role you will have to provide this value, and for both the customer and the vendor role you will have to provide the value in this way. Okay, so currently I am creating a customer into the Lexoffice software. Okay, so that is why I will be pasting this particular value. Now I will click on this button, and I'm really expecting that a contact will be created into the Lexoffice software automatically and immediately. And here you can see that the response is received, which means that the contact has been created. Let me refresh it and check for the data whether the contact has been created or not. And here you can notice that one contact has been created. Well, again this dashboard is visible into the German language. Let me change it to English language. All right, waiting for this language to be updated. Meanwhile, you can check that here we have the same email address, the same phone number, the same city, and we even have the contact ID, and here we have the date also. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Lexoffice account and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. Okay, so doesn't matter you are actually using German language or English language, I hope you have understood that how this particular automation will work, basically how this integration in between MS Excel and Lexoffice accounting software will work. Okay, and to automate this process you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Once you have created this automation, you do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. Okay, you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.